I had to, whoa, I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to win. Any L I took right on the chin. Roll the dice, how we do it all in. Don't y'all know all that hate is a sin? Yeah, I feel like Jeremy Lin. I wasn't supposed to be here. Vision blurry, now I see clear. Put the work in, now it's our year. And tell me why they big man. Your baby mama a big fan. I'm just tryna flip that, get that. Funny how I did that. And I just take my time.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. So this is Cooper G. Meron tayong bagong i-release ngayon guys. Biyaheng West Part Cebu tayo ngayon. Biyaheng Pinamungahan. Flex natin yung unit, kung ano yung kabuuan ng unit, tapos ano yung additional ni client, at the same time specs niya. So unahin natin yung specs ng unit. Ito yung D64V manual. Tapos may modification tayo sa unit natin, fake smiley. So guys, sa D64V na unit, yung bumper niya ordinary lang, walang fog lamp, very ordinary talaga. So si client nag-request siya ng fake smiley. So sa fake smiley natin, lagyan natin ng stainless yung grill, tapos yung fog lamp, ano yan, H11. Same time guys, naka 15 inches rims yung unit natin. So red mica with bronze na rims. So maangas yung unit, at the same time maporma. So additional sing light ng filter guard, tapos itong side mirror na meron sing light. At the same time naka stainless si client, Kevlar trim at saka stainless lighting. So check natin yung unit. Actually D64V non-individual seat. So check natin yung ano pang ibang additional decline. Sa basic setup natin, merong dashcam, tapos ito yung tinatawag natin na 2D-in-1 stereo. So sa basic setup, ito yung makikita mo. So since manual yung unit, sa D64 every van, ganito yung panel board ng aircon niya. So ito talaga yung tinatawag na base unit ng 64 series na unit. At the same time, nakapapa-port. Nakapapa-port. At the same time guys, linkage yung unit. At the same time, power window yung harap. So si client, additional lang chrome door handle. Additional ni client yan. At the same time, request ni client, silver na color ng roof rack. So ito. Tapos merong spoiler at saka skirt sa likod. Unit natin, meron siyang back chair. Sa ganito na unit guys, walang cover na plastic dito sa likod niya. So ito yung high roof na D64V manual. Tapos ito yung carpet ceiling natin. At the same time, pag sa every van, yung dome light niya sa likod nandito. The other side. Tapos nag-action si client ng dust tank cover. So yung unit guys is, the color of the unit is red mica. So yung accent ng rims, minix natin ng bronze kasi para maging makikita mo yung tingkat ng kulay. Sa unit natin, before ko makakalimutan, meron to underglow. Pag sinabi natin underglow, sa labas yan. Since maaraw pa ngayon, hindi mo visible yung underglow. Maganda yung underglow paggabi. Same time guys, yung unit natin, naka-test drive yan, naka-PMS. Tapos kung ano yung dapat i-serve na pyesa na wini-check, na maganda pa, di natin pinapalitan yan. Yung brake pad, during inspection, pag makapal pa, nilinisan na natin yan, saka yung brake sa likod. Same time, yung system natin, bago talaga yung lahat. Tapos kulang kami nagamit natin. Bago din yung air filter. Check natin yung gear oil ng unit natin. Same time na total body cleaning tayo. Mga spark plug, pinapalitan natin yan. So sa mga unit natin, undergo talaga na series ng test. Same time, nag-observe kami sa unit before namin i-release. So yung specs ng unit guys, ulitin ko, day 64P, manual, naka 15 inches rim yung unit, naka aircon, non-turbo yung unit natin. At the same time, yung unit natin umabot ng almost 290,000. So sa ganitong setup, 290 since si client nag-request ng iba't ibang additional. So si client lang yung kaya umabot ng ganito yung presyo. So sa mga ganitong unit namin, meron din kaming basic price, starting namin 230 yung mga ganitong unit. So guys, this is Popoy G. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel and Facebook page. And don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated sa mga videos namin. Lamang ang Maya Love. Thank you.
It was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I played to win, not a run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so